Assalamu alaikum. I will discuss some important MCQs about anti-Parkinsonism drugs. Question number one is which neuron are involved in Parkinsonism? Option A, cholinergic neurons. Option B, GABAergic neurons. Option C, dopaminergic neurons. And option D, all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option A, all of the above. Question number two. The pathological basis for anti-Parkinsonism therapy is option A selective loss of dopaminergic neurons. Option B, a loss of some cholinergic neurons. Option C, the loss of GABAergic neurons cells. And option D, the loss of glutaminergic neurons. The correct answer of this question is option A selective loss of dopaminergic neurons. Question number three. Which of the following neurotransmitter is involved in Parkinsonism disease? Option A, acetylcholine. Option B, glutamate. Option C, dopamine. And option D, all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option D, all of the above. Question number four. Indicate the drug that induce Parkinsonism syndrome. Option A, chlorpromazine. Option B, diazepam. Option C, triazolam. Option D, carbamazepine. The correct answer of this question is option A, chlorpromazine. Question number five. Which of the following drug is used in the treatment of Parkinsonism disorder? Option A, phenytoin. Option B, slagiline. Option C, haloperidol. Option D, fluoxetine. The correct answer of this question is option B, slagiline. Question number six. Select the agent which is preferred in the treatment of drug-induced form of Parkinsonism. Option A, levodopa. Option B, bromocriptine. Option C, benztropine. Option D, dopamine. The correct answer of this question is option C, benztropine. Question number seven. Which of the following agent is the precursor of dopamine? Option A, bromocriptine. Option B, levodopa. Option C, slagiline. Option D, amantadine. The correct answer of this question is option B, levodopa. Question number 8. The main reason for giving levodopa, the precursor of dopamine, instead of dopamine is option A, dopamine does not cross blood-brain barrier. Option B, dopamine may induce acute psychotic reactions. Option C, dopamine is intensively metabolized in human. And option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option A, dopamine does not cross the blood-brain barrier. Question number 9. Indicate a peripheral dopa decarboxylase inhibitor. Option A, tolcapone. Option B, clozapine. Option C, carbidopa, option D, slagiline. The correct answer of this question is option C, carbidopa. Question number 10. The mechanism of carbidopa action is option A, stimulating the senses, release and reuptake of dopamine. Option B, inhibition of dopa decarboxylase. Option C, stimulating dopamine receptors. Option D, selective inhibition of catechol O methyl transferase. The correct answer is option B, inhibition of dopa decarboxylase. Question number 11. Which of the following preparation combines carbidopa and levodopa in a fixed proportion? Option A, slagiline. Option B, cinemet. Option C, tolcapone. Option D, piperidine. The correct answer is option B, cinemet. Question number 12. GI irritation, CVS effects, including tachycardia, arrhythmia, and orthostatic hypotension, mental disturbance, and withdrawals are the possible adverse effect of option A, amantadine, option B, benztropine, option C, levodopa, option D, slagiline. The correct answer is option C, levodopa. Question number 13. Which of the following agent is the most helpful in counteracting the behavioral complication of levodopa? Option A, tolcapone. Option B, clozapine. Option C, carbidopa. Option D, pergolide. The correct answer of this question is option B, clozapine. Question number 14. Which of the following vitamins reduce the beneficial effect of levodopa by enhancing its extracerebral metabolism? Option A, pyridoxine. Option B, thiamine. Option C, tocopherol. Option D, riboflavin. The correct answer of this question is option A, pyridoxine. Question number 15. Which of the following antagonizes the effect of levodopa because it lead to the junctional blockage of dopamine action? Option A, reserpine. Option B, haloperidol. Option C, chlorpromazine. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option D, all of the above. Question number 16. Levodopa should not be given to patient taking option A, bromocriptine. Option B, monoamine oxidase A inhibitors. Option C, carbidopa. Option D, non-selective beta adrenergic antagonists. The correct answer of this question is option B, monoamine oxidase A inhibitors. Question number 17. Indicate D2 receptor agonist with anti-Parkinsonism activity. Option A, cinemet. Option B, levodopa. Option C, bromocriptine. Option D, slagiline. The correct answer of this question is option C, Bromocriptine. Question number 18. Which of the following anti-Parkinsonism drug also been used to treat hyperprolactinemia? Option A, benztropine. Option B, bromocriptine. Option C, amantadine. Option D, levodopa. The correct answer of this question is option B, bromocriptine. Question number 19. Indicate a selective inhibitor of monoamine oxidase B. Option A, levodopa. Option B, amantadine. Option C, tolcapone. Option D, slegilene. The correct answer of this question is option D, slegilene. Question number 20. The main reason for avoiding the combined administration of levodopa and an inhibitor of both form of monoamine oxidase is option A, respiratory depression. Option B, hypertensive emergency. Option C, acute psychotic reaction. Option D, cardiovascular collapse and CNS depression. The correct answer is option B, hypertensive emergency. Question number 21. Indicate selective catechol O methyl transferase inhibitor which prolongs the action of levodopa by diminishing its peripheral metabolism. Option A, carbidopa. Option B, clozapine. Option C, tolcapone. Option D, rosagiline. The correct answer is option C, tolcapone. Question number 22. Which of the following anti-Parkinsonism drug is an antiviral agent used in the prophylaxis of influenza A2? Option A, slegilene. Option B, Sinemet. Option C, pergolide. Option D, amantadine. The correct answer is option D, amantadine. Question number 23. The mechanism of amantadine action is option A, stimulating the glutaminergic neurotransmission. Option B, blocking the excitatory cholinergic system. Option C, inhibition of dopa decarboxylase. Option D, selective inhibition of catechol O methyl transferase. The correct answer of this question is option A, stimulating the glutaminergic neurotransmission. Question number 24. Which of the following anti-Parkinsonism drug is an anticholinergic agent? Option A, amantadine. Option B, slegilene. Option C, trihexyphenidyl. Option D, bromocriptine. The correct answer of this question is option C, trihexyphenidyl. Question number 25. Mental confusion and hallucinations, peripheral atropine like toxicity, for example, cycloplegia, tachycardia, urinary retention, and constipation are the possible adverse effects of option A, Sinemet. Option B, benztropine. Option C, tolcapone. Option D, bromocriptine. The correct answer of this question is option B, benztropine. Question number 25. Indicate the anti-Parkinsonism drug which should be avoided in patient with glaucoma? Option A, slangiline. Option B, levodopa. Option C, bromocriptine. Option D, trihexyphenidyl. The correct answer of this question is option D, trihexyphenidyl.